So I have a little bit of these weeds growing in my garden, so I just pluck them like this, and I give it to my birds because they haven't been eating greens for a few months because of the cold weather. So I gave them in all three loft. You can see there's plenty of them over here. Just fed them like maybe 10 minutes ago. Some people, you can buy romaine lettuce or spring mix, whatever things, and feed it to your birds, but I just utilize whatever I can find in my garden. Today is a very nice day. Weather is pretty warm. We're gonna get a lot of snow and heavy winds in the evening and night. I'm gonna slowly move, not trying to scare the birds. Fantails over there. Sitting on eggs. Got a baby over there. Baby jumped off the nest. Try to put the baby back in the nest. Babies over there. Nest. Babies in there. Nest. There's a baby in the back over there too. I work from home, so in the afternoon time on my lunch break, I come over here, check on the birds, as well as if they don't have enough water, I refill the water in the afternoon too. So not just morning I give them water, I give them in the evening too. But in the summertime, I don't need to worry about water freezing and all, so all these waters will be completely full. I don't need to like do the whole thing of adding water. I just check on to make sure they stay full. In the wintertime, I don't try to fill them up because they freeze, so I just pour water from the base every day for them to drink. So in the evening, there'll be enough room for more to be added in the morning. The other loft too, they're cleaning it up pretty good. They would eat the maximum they can, and whatever left over, they would use it to make nests. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that that grizzle roller just took a flip. That guy right over there. He didn't take that much room to take the flip too. That's the guy that took the flip. beautiful. Black roller with white flights. Solid black roller with white flights, and that is a brown ball of tin. Indian pantails mating again. See, they both are brothers over there. Those two blue grizzle ball heads over there. And they both carry ballers. They both are cockbirds. Go to the other lofts and see the rest of the homers real quick. Gotta clean it up too. There isn't much left. Yeah, they don't have much left. Nice on the cockpit over there. That's a very sharp looking homer. And even though it's a stripper, I really like the length on the bird, the wattles, the shape of the head. That's a well put together bird. As far as from a stance perspective and shape, if you compare, he's right over there. Long, tall bird. Nice eyes. That's a well put together bird. It's almost a similar pattern bird over there, but I like this bird way better than the other bird, the way how it is built. size almond hen over here, the dilute almond hen. Right over there. Beautiful bird. There's he again. Let's go to the last loft and check it out real quick. A lot of left, didn't eat that much. Can't see that, is it? Almond mating pair over there. Almond hen and almond cockwood over there. We're supposed to get some pretty heavy rain and really heavy winds this evening and tonight. There's a cockwood over there.